What's up? It's your boy here, back again with another video. Today's video is going to be on this vintage 20-inch Lasko box fan. And for the record, this fan does not belong to me. This fan belongs to my church. I'm cleaning it up for them, so I figured I'd still get a video of the fan while I still have it. This particular fan was made in 1998 and likely sold in the summer of 1999. If we take a closer look, it's got the D-shaped blades, not your typical pedal blades. 3 speeds with a carry handle, and we're going to give it a demo, starting with the low speed. Now, like I said, this fan here is just freshly serviced, cleaned, oiled, and serviced. Now, the plastic has a little bit of warping, which you can see right there. That's not that big a deal. And this fan wasn't super dirty because it doesn't get used very often, but I figured I'd clean it for him anyway. Here's medium. Now, medium speed, there is a significant increase in speed. This thing just moves a ton of air. And here's high. That's how powerful this fan is. Like I said, this motor was just freshly cleaned. This fan was just freshly cleaned, serviced, and oiled. And this thing moves a pretty good amount of air. And off. And once this fan comes to a stop, I will get the startup sounds recorded for anyone that likes that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and flip this around. And here is the low speed startup sound. Now that this came to a stop, let's do the medium speed startup sound. Stop that real quick, and we'll do the high speed startup sound. So, there you have it. This has been a video of this 20-inch Lasko box fan with the D-shaped blades from 1998 or 1999. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.